Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can see, I'm in my car. I've been having this problem. Wait a minute. You guys like, comment, share, subscribe, put your notifications on, all that. I've been having this problem with the Cadillac CTS where the AC blows good when I'm driving. When I'm driving good. I mean it blows anyway, but it stays cold when I'm driving. So if I'm moving, the AC blows regular and normal. But if I'm idle, like I'm sitting at a light, it blows like it's not working. So I got this piece here. It's the AC high pressure switch. I narrowed it down to that because it's not the compressor. The compressor works. So I'm gonna DIY. Y'all know I love a DIY. See if I can do it myself so I won't have to get nobody to do it. So, I mean, it's just simple. I just gotta find where it is, and put it on. So, I'm gonna take y'all on this journey with me to see if we can fix the problem. If not, we're gonna figure something else out. I'll take it somewhere. But I mean, if it's something simple as a high pressure AC switch that's doing that, why can't I do it myself? It's Saturday, I'm not doing nothing. So I like DIYs. As my friends say, you love a do-it-yourself. Yeah, why not? You save money like that. If you know how to do it and you got the time to do it, do it. But I don't advise you to do it if you're not mechanical and you don't know how to use your hands or whatever. You ain't smart enough to figure it out. You mess something else up. So if you know a little something about cars, you can fix almost anything if you got the time and patience to do it. So that seems like something that's simple to do. So I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So all right, these are the parts I'm using. I got a ramp, 6-inch ramp to drive the car on the ramp because the part is under the car. I got a 9/16 wrench, and of course the AC high pressure switch. It's under the car, so I have to go under the car, under this tire. It's a little spot here under the car. You gotta go under there and you gotta unscrew it and take it off and take the wire off and put this one on. So I'm gonna do all of that and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I got the car up on the ramp. I turned the wheel so I can have more space to get into that little compartment right there. And I'm gonna put my little blanket down so I won't get dirty. I'm gonna get dirty anyway, but get bugs and stuff all on me. I took that little piece off that hole right there. I'll put it back on once I put it in there. So I put the car also and put the parking brake on the car so the car won't move. And yeah, we're gonna go into the car and we're gonna see how easy it is to do. So I'm under the car and there's the piece right there. It needs to be changed. Focus, come on, focus. Right there. So pretty easy fix. I just gotta put my arm in there, put my hand in there, get to the piece, unplug it, change it, and that should be it. Cool. What an easy DIY. Come on, man. Hey guys, I got the piece off. When I pulled it off, it made a little noise, but that's the piece. It's off. I mean, it's off. That's the thing here, and this is the old one. This is the old one. It's got the little thing in the inside. It's just like the new one, and this is the new one here. This is a new one. So I'm gonna put this one back on, plug it up. The wire is here. somewhere in there that you pull it up right here. right here. You plug it up to that, and that should fix the problem. So we'll see. All right, hold on. I'll be back with you guys. I'll let you know the result. This is the old one. This is the new one. Easy DIY. I got the little piece put back on. Plug back up. It's right there. Now I just gotta get in and check it out and make sure when I'm idle and sitting still that the AC still blows cold, because it's hot out here and it's miserable being in a hot car. So I hope this helps someone, because there's no videos on YouTube about this that goes into detail that shows you actually how to get that part off, and you can do it yourself. I did. So yeah, you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and till next time, peace. Hey guys, so far I'm back in the car and I'm sitting still and the AC is actually on and it's blowing cold. So the part number is GM part 135676668. And yeah, so this is the GM part, AC Delco, actual GM parts. So yeah, hope this helps you guys. Till next time, driving. The air is working wonderfully. So I'm stopped at this the stoplight, and let me see how wonderfully it's still working. It's still working wonderfully. So far, so good. Usually it'll be blowing warm by now, but it's still blowing good. So far, so good. Listen to that exhaust. Waller 11824. Is that right? Something like that. Yeah, 11824. Part number 11824 for that Waller exhaust. Get you some.